Assalamu alaikum. Dear viewers, you are with Tripoli Campus and it's me Zahid Rahman. Today I am going to discuss about coin cell battery dimension. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Welcome back to our discussion after intro. Dear viewers, in here as you can see two coin cell battery, that is CR2025 and another one CR2032. Basically we are talking about the last 4 digits of the model number of the battery. I will not discuss about CR prefix today. There is an opportunity to discuss it in detail, so I will make another video on these topics later inshallah. So without wasting time, let's go into the main point of the discussion. In here 20 is basically diameter of the battery in millimeter, and this 25 is basically 2.5, that is thickness of the battery in millimeter. So if we think from the previous discussion, then here this 32 is the thickness of the second battery, that is 3.2 millimeter, and the diameter is same as previous battery, that is 20 millimeter, because these two digits of both battery are same. These figures show the industry standard dimension of a CR1632 coin cell battery. In here 16 is the diameter of the battery and 32 is the thickness of the battery, that is 3.2 millimeter. You can find more information about this type of battery from the reference chart on the left side of the screen. That's all. Dear viewers, there is a very good option to know more and more technical discussion, that is to press the subscribe button and keep the bell button on. Then you will get notification fast as soon as any new video of the channel is uploaded. So friends, that was a discussion about the topic. If you feel the discussion helpful and enjoyable, please share it on various platforms and let others to see. Will be discussed in the next video with a new topic. Till then, everyone stay well and healthy and stay with Tripoli Campus. Allah Hafiz.